Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Microsoft 365 easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Microsoft 365 into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Microsoft 365 website link. Once on the home page, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on it to begin the registration process. You will see various subscription options available. Review the options to find a plan that suits your needs. Click on the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button for your chosen plan. If prompted, sign in with your existing Microsoft account or select Create One to set up a new account. For a new account, enter your email address and click Next. Create a strong password, then click Next again. Fill out the required information on the next screen, including your name and country. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click Next to proceed to the payment page. Enter your payment details if purchasing a subscription. If you opted for a trial, you may not need payment information at this stage. Review your order summary carefully. Click on Place Order or Start Trial to finalize your registration. Once successfully registered, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account if necessary. Now, you can log into Microsoft 365 using your new account credentials. Explore the features and tools available in your Microsoft 365 dashboard. You are now ready to start using Microsoft 365 for your personal or professional needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.